Hey guys, welcome back to Gallop and Go Stalls. I actually do have a video for you guys today. I ended up ordering some stuff off the Schleich website and I am so excited to unbox it. I bought two sets actually, and they're like brand new sets that just came out, and I am super excited to open these. So, here we go. Here we have the Lisa's Tournament Training Set, and it comes with the Appaloosa Mare and the Appaloosa Foal in new coat colors. And then we have Sarah's First Aid Kit, which comes with the Moari and Paint Horse Foal molds. And I'm just going to open these up now for you guys. Starting with the Lisa's Tournament Training Set. So the blade just fell out of my X-Acto knife, which is absolutely wonderful, but we can just slip that back in there and keep unboxing this set. Oh no guys, this set involves putting on stickers. Well, I hope I can get those on straight. Anyway. Here we have the Appaloosa Mare, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I love her. I apologize that my camera wouldn't focus, but it is what it is. It was acting weird today. And then we have the Appaloosa Foal, and she is so cute. And I love her. Next up, we have Lisa, one of the horse club riders, and again, I am so sorry for the focus. I'll get you a better look at her later, but she is super cute. And then we just have all the jumps, and the set came with a whip and a jump and then like a little cavaletti thing, as well as some little flags which are on a piece of tape. Love that because I actually hate tape. Anyway, I'm going to pop the rest of the stuff out and then you guys can get a look at it. Now I'm going to put the stickers on the jumps and hopefully I get them on straight because I am no good at putting stickers on. I think I did a good job of getting them on straight. And now I'm just gonna pop them onto the jump, and it's so cute, guys. I love the pink hearts and stuff. Now I'm gonna put the little flags in, and the jump is complete. And all we have to do is set up the cavaletti, and yep, that's it. So cute, guys. A little bit of play was absolutely necessary. Now we're moving on to Sarah's first aid kit, and again, the camera would not focus. Oh, there we go, now it is. And this is the back. I have never seen that Western set, and I think it's actually new for this year, but I don't think it's out yet. So hopefully it comes out soon. Anyway, I'm going to unbox this for you guys. It's so cute. First, I'm going to take out the Mawari foal, and she is painted in I think it's a Palomino paint color, and she is so cute. Her little curly black tail and the black accents on her ears are absolutely adorable, and I'm in love with her. Next, I'm going to take out the paint horse foal, who is painted to I think it's a blue roan. Yes, she's a blue roan, and she's absolutely adorable. And the camera's not gonna focus again. Sorry, guys. But she has a cute little sock and a little blaze on her face, and she's absolutely adorable. Next is the horse club rider Sarah, and she has an adorable green and yellow outfit on, and she is so pretty, guys. I can't wait to put her into all my episodes and stuff. And the set also came with a vet box, and I actually can't get it out. One day I'll get it out of the box for you guys. It is really stuck in there. There we go. Okay, we got this cute little vet box for the horses, and it's adorable. And yeah. Next is all these tiny little accessories, and I can't get the tape off. Guys, I seriously hate tape. So we're pulling out the X-Acto knife, and there we go. It came with a shot and what's it called? Stethoscope. It came with a stethoscope and carrots and then a bandage. And again with the no focus. There we go. Okay, so everything for this set is now out of the wrapper, and I must say it is absolutely so cute. Okay, it is picture time now, and I have my horses in this cute little basket, and I have my camera at my side, and we are currently walking down the road because there's a nice fall tree at the end of the road. And I will see you guys down there. Sorry guys, I just had to tell you it is 45 degrees out here and absolutely freezing, let me tell you. But it's worth it for the beautiful fall pictures, right? Saddle looks quite nice on her. So cute. It's a lovely color for a saddle pad. And I'm just going to put the Lisa figure on her. Oh, her leg's stuck. What in the world? Wait. Yeah. this strap on her. There we go. And I'm actually going to put the other jump out right in front of this one because I think it'll look good. If it works. Okay. And the little foal's going to be frolicking right here. And let's get rid of that. I'm going to get my camera out now and actually I have to clean up the stuff behind it. See the mess I made behind this? It's going to be a little bit hard to take pictures. So, all this other stuff has to go back in the basket. Yay! Okay. Mess clean. And I'm using this Canon to take my pictures, and I'm going to pop the lens cap off and actually drop it. But hey, whatever. And now I'm going to sit at a crazy angle and attempt to take this picture. The ground's actually wet and it's gross because it just rained. Hey guys, so I am back inside now. I got some amazing pictures, which you guys will see at the end of the video. Anyway, I came in and edited the photos, and it's 45 degrees outside today, so I was absolutely freezing. So I made a cup of coffee, ta-da, and as much as I would like to say that is pumpkin spice creamer in there, I can't because the store was out of pumpkin spice, and so I guess we went Christmassy and it's peppermint mocha. So, but it's still really good. Not pumpkin spice, but it's still really good. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will pop up the pictures at the end. Anyway, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button because I'm just going to start uploading videos whenever I want to now. And not just shorts. Whenever I have a video filmed now, it's coming out, like, right then. So, I'm super excited about that, and I don't have to wait to release videos till Friday anymore, because I'm just going to start releasing them. And I hope you guys like that. If not, I'm sorry. Let me know down below, and I guess I can start doing Friday again, but whatever. Anyway, that's all. I hope you guys liked it. Also, check out my Instagram, guys. I have exclusive content up on there, and the link for that will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!